Okay, so here is all my stuff in the refrigerator. And boom, it closed. It's the white sauce, and it's not closed. I've done it. So,
what's up, beautiful?
All you need to do is get one of these cheap refrigerators. Let me see what the title's called. The title is a Kenmore. So all you need to do is get a Kenmore refrigerator, and you can do that. It's the same with the freezer. So yeah, feel free. Let's see how many steps I've taken. Oh my gosh, I look right. I've taken today. I've taken 2,501 steps.
Oh, I thought you said dumps.
So I will be right back, okay? I'm gonna put you right here. Okay, hi, I'm back. What was I doing? Frida! Okay. I am going to end the video. I know it was a really short one, but hey, I taught you how to put the light off and the door is not closed. It's not a myth, it is true. So subscribe to me because I just told you that it's not a myth. So subscribe to me because I'm awesome and just do it. And because I'm the best YouTuber on earth. So just subscribe to me, okay? Okay. So bye everybody. Have a nice day. Comment down below, subscribe, like, share this video. And then just subscribe. So bye. Bye.